When we were planning to launch this project, Mr. Atif had given a glimpse of his vision for this project. I can confidently say that he exceeded at all levels. I'm 100% confident that Torino by ORO24 will create a pillar of faith for our clients in ORO24. Our dedication in not just delivering the structure, but a piece of precision and excellence.
J'étais impressionnée de voir le projet Torino en construction sur lequel on a beaucoup travaillé, presque finalisé et devenir concret et mieux que je l'aurais imaginé.
Agents, clients, they were all my mind today when I was in site, like the kind of emotions that they're going to feel or the happiness that they're going to feel once they take the handing over of this project. And I can strongly say right now that ORO24 is going to redefine the real estate experience in this market.
من أكثر من سنة كان عندنا حلم نبدأ مشروع كبير في منطقة أرجان gated community، وكان عندنا حلم اسمه تورينو. النهارده كنا في السايت حققنا نص الحلم، ان شاء الله وقت التسليم هنحقق الحلم بالكامل ونقدم للعملاء مشروع متكامل بنفس الرؤيه اللي بدأناها مع مستر عاطف رحماني.
My previous experience and other development company, we've never had this experience. Plus our chairman, who was very involved, I was very impressed by his involvement in every single detail, whether on site or in the offices with all the departments. His excitement for delivering not only units to sell them, but also to deliver the best quality. It was an amazing experience.
هالمشروع اللي على طول رح يكون له مكانة خاصة عنا. أول مشروع لأورو24 اشتغلنا عليه من قلبنا، كان فيه لحظات حلوة، لحظات صعبة وتحديات كبيرة، بس الموتيفيشن والانسبيريشن لمستر عاطف كان على طول يرفعنا لفوق.